It's not good enough to just shop for rate anymore. I mean, everybody offers best rate. Everywhere you go, someone says, I got best rate, I got best service. Now that's the ante. You gotta offer that just to be in business now. The world is changing at a rapid pace. Gone are the days when we buy a house and we actually retire there. We don't do that. We're moving homes more often than ever. In 2006, if you had a driver's license and a pulse, you can buy a house. The economic conditions have changed. It's harder than ever to buy a house now and to get a mortgage. It's back to becoming a privilege. It's a symbol of hard work and progress as a family. The government of Canada made the mortgage rules harder 3 years in a row. You need someone who knows where you fit within all of those changes. We need to work through some core questions to make sure that you have the highest odds of getting approved. What is your credit history and what is your credit score? It can be better than you think, it could be worse than you think, but knowing what the report says gives us our starting point. I wouldn't trust any pre-approval where they don't physically show you what the report says. Well, how much can you buy and how much can you afford? You can't buy anything if you don't know how much money you have. And you absolutely must know what you can afford and what your ceiling is as far as what the bank will allow. And you have to understand that those are two different numbers. One you dictate, one they dictate. Which bank is going to suit you best? And which bank is going to be easiest to deal with in your personal situation? And where are you at today? Knowing where you're at today, regardless of whether you buy in a week or you're going to buy in a year, is the most crucial thing that you can do to avoid all of these headaches and surprises that will come up when you're ready. So this allows you to be 100% prepared when you take the first step. And we've helped thousands of Canadians through this process. We've helped them get hundreds of millions of dollars throughout Canada in mortgage money. We're a top franchise with Dominion Lending Centers, the #1 mortgage company in Canada, doing $20 billion worth of business. And we're not telling you this to brag, we're telling you this because it matters. You get to take advantage of our strength and our relationships with top lenders, and you get better mortgages, a stress-free process, and the highest odds of approval. So if you're ready for that, if you're ready for home ownership, if you want to make sure that you're working with the very best, there are a few ways to reach out to us on this website. We encourage you to pick one, and we look forward to working with you.